Hi, that AC chick here. We are interviewing Dr. Garrick. He is my concierge doctor here in Austin. I found him when I couldn't get in to see my traditional doctor, and they wouldn't spend some time with me when I had some chronic things that kept happening. I specifically came to you because of a mixture of traditional medicine and functional medicine, which appealed to me. I don't want a prescription when I don't need one, and when I need a prescription, I want one. As I've gotten to know him, we've discussed many of the things you do. He's on the board of the Long Center here. He's a speaker at South by Southwest in Austin, and he works with numerous celebrities and some athletes, and does some work with HBO and Netflix when they do things in Austin. So anyway, what we wanted to do is interview him on a couple questions about indoor air quality and his thoughts on immunity and some different things. So stay tuned and you get to hear some of the things that we discussed. So Dr. Garrick, someone reached out to us from social media. They had a son who was having a heart transplant, and the doctor specifically asked them to make sure that the air was clean and ready for them to come home, not just like the linens and stuff. Why is it particularly important for the air to be cleaned after either a surgery, or do you think it had to do with the heart transplant specifically?
Yeah, so when someone has a heart transplant, they're on immune suppressors, so you don't reject the heart. So it's really important to protect your immune system when your immune system is down. It's almost like HIV or anything else where you have a lower immune system.
Mm-hmm.
So the air obviously has impurities in it. There's viruses and bacteria. So it's really important for someone who has a weakened immune system to make sure the air is as perfect as possible, so their body doesn't succumb to major illness from not having a normal immune system.
Okay, I don't think I realized that. Yeah, you want to take those medicines because you would reject the heart.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
So what we ended up doing was a HEPA bypass filter in their house, which is hospital grade, and I guess that's the reason most hospitals have HEPA filtration
Absolutely.
in their spaces too. Okay.
That's absolutely right. So HEPA filters, they can filter like 99.9% of viruses and bacteria in the air, to make sure anyone who has allergies or a weakened immune system,
Mm-hmm.
or they're elderly, they have emphysema, they have diabetes or other chronic illnesses. It's really important to make sure your air is as clean as possible. Because when you have exposure to viruses and bacteria and other allergens, it can weaken your immune system, so it's not able to fight as well as, let's say, when we were in 15 to 20s. So it's really important to have clean air.